The EFI Auto Maintenance Kit Power Tool will help you increase uptime for your EFI roll-to-roll LED printer, even after several years of heavy use. The Auto Maintenance Kit can be used periodically to identify and fix issues that may be affecting print quality, such as shifts in printer calibration and aging print nozzles. A skilled printer operator can perform the calibration procedure on site, saving time and the cost of service visits and increasing printer uptime. The Auto Calibration Wizard guides the printer operator through the process of printing and cutting a special pattern, then scanning the pattern using the scanner included in the kit. The software analyzes the scan, and then the wizard guides the operator through steps to recalibrate the printer. The Auto Maintenance Kit also includes a nozzle compensation system for identifying print nozzles that have deteriorated over time and may be causing quality issues. The operator prints, cuts out, and scans a special pattern. The software then identifies any malfunctioning nozzles and registers them. From this point forward, the smart algorithm permanently assigns an adjacent nozzle to compensate for the deficient nozzles, ensuring perfect, high-quality printing. The nozzle compensation system can extend print head lifespan up to 30% on average, diagnose and fix issues without the need for a service visit, increase uptime, and reduce costs. With the optional Auto Maintenance Kit Power Tool for EFI roll-to-roll LED printers.